Hey guys, it's Henry here from HTP Boer Farming. Yeah, it's feeding time. Haven't seen you guys in a while. Got a lot of cleanup to do. But yeah, today's feeding time starts with we need to add more mineral lick to our feed. We ran out of it, so we had to go and get some more. But yeah, no, I'll take you guys along as feeding continues today. Okay, we got that in there. But yeah, comes loose. Comes nice and loose. Nice mineral for the goats. Nice supplement mineral. Okay, now we got it all ready. So here we just use in South Africa we call it kalevoer. This is chopped maize, and then we have some corn in here, and the corn maize chopped fine. Then we have the mineral lick that we just showed you guys, the loose mineral lick, and then also we feed a palletized inside. A bit difficult to focus there. Hello. Doesn't want to come there. Okay. Anyway, there we go. You see the pellets in there. But okay, now let's go feed the animals. Okay, let's show you guys the stampede. That's all of them. So these are the last bred. We had one give birth to 4, what's that, quadruplets? Quads, and unfortunately 2 didn't make it. But yeah, no, had a bunch of very nice looking baby goat kids, and yeah, no, I must say we're very happy with the way they came out. Triplets, singles, doubles, all of them. That's our favorite one. Oldest but the smallest. Always eats herself too full. Look at that stomach. Oh yes, it's gonna be a fatty, just like her mother. Her mother already competing with her 3 children. Well, we'll see. Hey! And yeah, no, it happens. They have to sort out their space. Who's where? But yeah, no, thanks for joining us once again here at HTP Boer Farming. It's wonderful to have you guys here to see how it goes here with us. What it looks like down here in South Africa.